Ching, ching, ching. Okay, let's jump right back to where we stopped.
Hey, car, cooking vlogs and lots more. Come inside the door, taste the joy, feel the love. Family at the core, from Nigeria to the world. Flavor we adore, cooking vlogs and lots more. Yeah, that's what we're for, yeah.
Square. Okay. This life is not easy, oh guys. Look at my eye. I see my eye. I don't know what happened to the eye. But we move all the same. So I picked up my daughter from school and I'm going back to my business. But I just want to spend like an hour. I want to deliver something to somebody. And I'll go home. At least she needs to rest also. So enjoy the vlog, guys.
Cooking vlogs and lots more. Come inside the door, taste the joy, feel the love. Family at the core, from Nigeria to the world. Flavor we adore. Cooking vlogs and lots more. Yeah, that's what we're for.
Okay, we are good to go and this vlog is almost finished. Thank God. We'll see at home, guys. We'll see at home. Okay, bye. Okay guys, so I am back home. Good evening to you. And today is one of those days that I usually pass through stress. I legit left my town today for a business. I traveled from my town all the way to another town for a business, but it's kind of normal. It happens, and it was very stressful. I got home at about 5 p.m. After picking up my daughter from school, I went back to the shop and I went to deliver from where I went to deliver something. I went back to the shop to take 1 or 2 records before I got home. I still have my book here. I still have my book. I have to balance some stuffs here. After this whole video, I'll go live. After like it's almost time for my live stream. After the live stream, I'm going to like do 1 or 2 balancing on my book. So I'm done bathing. I'm done bathing. I just want to wash my face here. This is my face soap. Today I was under the sun throughout. See, thank God. I have hyperpigmentation. I don't know how to take it off. I have tried a lot of things, and I think this sunscreen I'm using this period is helping me. If not, I'm not forfeit to see my face again, because I'm always working under the sun, always. I don't want that on my child though, because whenever I'm doing my business, I love her being in school. Any day she's not in school, I don't do that type of business. Maybe I go to the shop. So this last vlog, I think I'm going to end this whole vlog here. I just want to rant. I just want to say everything I want to say. I just want to say my mind. I need to talk. So I just hope I don't bore you. So when I got home, my phone was down. I wanted to tell you guys I'm home already. And I made something to eat for me and my daughter, and our visitors came. We had a visitor. I had to like prepare something again for them. It's not easy. It's not easy. Anybody that says it's easy, that person is setting you up. but we'll just pray for the grace of God. See, this my phone has seen Oba. Since I started this content creating thing, this phone has seen Oba. This phone does not rest. It does not rest. You know what iPhone does now. You know those hotness of a thing. I don't know if it's peculiar with our own country. I don't know. This phone, that's why if I'm filming, as soon as we begin the hot temperature too hot, I want to come put inside the freezer. This phone has seen shaggy. I just pray money should come. Let me get another phone and a camera so that at least. Whew. And if that happens, you guys are going to be seeing vlogs every time. If that happens, I just need to get somebody that will be editing for me, and you guys are going to be seeing vlogs. You guys are going to be cooking videos all the time, seriously. So now I need to go and wash this off my face. I'm coming back, guys. I'm back and I'm done washing my face. Let me use my face wash. I already used my. Look at the hyperpigmentation I'm telling you guys about. Are you seeing it? So I'm done using my face soap and now my face wash. So this face wash is an exfoliant. I've not exfoliated my face since this week, and I've been entering the sun. It's a glycolic acid exfoliant. This glycolic acid face wash has been helping me, because tell me why I've been entering under the sun every day. Eh? Well, though I've been using sunscreen too. This is what the scope I didn't know about earlier on. If I had known about sunscreen right from my school days, you see this hyperpigmentation, I won't have had it, because I would make up and I will walk under the sun. Then we didn't know what we were doing to ourselves. We did not know what we were doing to ourselves, and that was how I got this. And since then I've been trying to treat it, but all to no avail. So after this face wash, I think I'm going to mask up, because today is Friday. I'm not sure I'll be going anywhere tomorrow. I'll just edit my videos and make another content. And that's on period. This Vlogmas period, we need to be giving content each day. I just pray I have the strength, because this is how my day usually works. And I have not filmed all my Vlogmas video. I have not filmed all of them. So it's sure for me say I will film them daily. My mind was that I will start filming them since August, and I will schedule them, and when it is time they'll just be coming up on their own. But then again, it is what it is. I need rest though. I need to rest. See, if I tell you guys what is happening to me, let me just wash my face and tell you guys and give you guys the gist what's happening to me. This money that we're looking for, I hope we get it. I hope we get this money. Let me go and take off this thing. So guys, I am going to take it off. I'm done though. I'm cold. Okay, let me make use of my face sheets. No, I don't have that time. I want to come live. So if I make use of this face sheet, I'm going to leave for like 20 minutes. No face sheet today. I need to use a cool serum. Oh, my serum is finished. Remember my phone. No, my serum is finished. I've not used this serum for some time now. This is the one I've been using. The struggles. Hey, it's finished, eh? And I can't use this other one, no, because it will be too harsh for my face because of the glycolic. Chineke, Onyukunagugwa. Don't forget your neck in anything you do. Don't forget your neck. If not, your neck go there Africa, while your face go there Europe. So always don't forget your neck. So anything you do on your face, not leave your neck out of it. So hey, don't finish. Okay, I've not used roll-on, so I need to use roll-on. I need to use roll-on. Very important. I need to smell good when I'm sleeping. I need to smell good when I'm sleeping. So about this eye, I got an eye drop. So this eye drop, it has two purposes. Let me open it. Open it. Serves two purposes, eye and ear, and that is what I have right now. The issue I have. Yes, baby. I didn't use face sheets. I beg. I don't have that time. I need a spa treatment. I will just relax. I'll be doing my face like this. Scrub, wash, put it there. Oh, steam the face. I need that type of treatment. It's been a while. Then massage my body, pedicure, manicure. Oh my god! Wow! So guys, talking about my eye, I said I'm going to give you guys the gist. I've not even made my hair. Are you guys see my hair? Guys, I think I'm going to either cut my hair or dread it. I think I'm going to cut my hair or dread because I don't usually have the time. And I can't be wearing wig everywhere. I'll be wearing wig and I'll be supplying drinks. I cannot. Heat will finish me. So I need to cut this hair or I'm going to dread this hair because I'm not a get time to make the hair. Just imagine my hair. Common or all back, the easiest, the simplest and the cheapest hair of all. I cannot even do. Look at it. Look at my hair. Look at. So out of those two, I'm going to sit down and think about it. I'm going to cut or I dread the hair. Which do you want me to do? Cut or dread? Okay, so let me tell you guys about this eye. So 2 days back I could not sleep. It was my ear that woke me up. It was aching me so seriously, and this particular ear, and I could not even sleep. I had to take, thank God there was a pain relief in the house, and I had to take that. And I was able to sleep for like an hour before I woke up to get my daughter ready for school. And that same day my eye I started having pains in my eyes started aching me, and I don't know. I took medication already though. I had to complain to a pharmacist and they gave me medication. He asked me to buy this eye drop / ear drop. So let's do it together. Ooh. And I have cough too. I have cough. The dust this period, the dust has not been easy on me. My ear, I don't like anything entering my ear. This is the first time I'm actually using an ear drop. The very first time in my life. So I'm literally done. Let me my lips are dried. So for the cough, many things they do me. This is my go-to recipe for my cough. It's a cola and this tom tom. My go-to recipe. Let me show you guys how it looks. Whenever I have cough, I love using this bitter cola and tom tom. It works, seriously. It works for me. I don't mind like me, but this is bitter. This is bitter, very bitter. So let me show you guys how it is. This is literally how it is. This is inside. So I missed a call while making this video. I'm trying to call back. I told you guys I had a visitor. My brother came to visit and maybe he wants to tell me he has gotten home. So I'm trying to call back. Hello? Okay, I missed your call before. I didn't say room before. Hello, Richard. Alright now, thank God. Bitter. So whenever I want to sleep, I'll just take pain relief for my body. Bitter. That's it. I'll just be chewing it small. So thank you guys for watching this vlog. I just hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. please don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe, yes, subscribe, very important. Like, comment, and share this video. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow, day 2 of Vlogmas, in my next video. I love you all. Bye.